Janhvi Kapoor swore by the unfailing charm of black and flaunted her envious frame in a cutout gown. Her outfit was from the label Antithesis and it boasted a thigh-high slit, a plunging neckline and elaborate cutouts on both sides of the waist. A dazzling necklace ending with a sizable emerald green festoon beautifully lay around her neck and added to the ethereal charm. Janhvi also wore a striking set of bracelets to complete her look. As for her makeup, she rocked a dewy base that was enhanced with beaming bronzer, nude lips, shimmery eyelids and kohl-rimmed eyes. Her hair was tied in a chic bun. She picked a bright sky blue one-shoulder dress with cutouts on it that seamlessly takes her movie promotional style right on top. The strappy side comes with a contrasting blue that extends to her long blue sleeve on the other. Janhvi posted pictures of herself in a new outfit that features the diva in a cutout black and white bodycon dress. She took a break from her ethnic streak and opted for a sultry dual-tone dress to add some fun to her style statements. She flaunted ultimate panache and boldness with her body-hugging outfit that had a side slit and paired it with black high heels. Her makeup added to the style quotient of the outfit. She highlighted her eyes with kohl and complemented it with coral-shaded lipstick. Her voluminous waves look perfect with the bodycon dress. The midi dress comes with a scooped neckline and cutouts on the center, front and waist. The actress wearing a dazzling blue gown and professed her admiration. Janhvi donned an all-blue gown with sequined accents covering every inch of its surface. It had a figure-hugging bodice and a mermaid-inspired silhouette beyond that. Her matching transparent gloves increased the drama factor. A glittering stone adornment was also added to the arm-length pair. Let us tell you that the outfit she was wearing was designed by Falguni and Shane Peacock. Her appearance was enhanced with a few finger rings and delicate earrings. Janhvi Kapoor enhanced her appearance with minimal yet glam-exuding makeup that featured glossy lips, fluttery lashes, and defined brows as well as open tresses and glam makeup. Janhvi Kapoor wore a metallic mini dress made using seashells. She shined bright in the glittering dress that came with a deep and broad neck. Her eye makeup was kept to bold, glittery and smoky while her hair was styled in dramatic curls. The top of the dress is embroidered with shells while the other half focuses on a shell design made of tulle. The golden body-hugging dress looked smoking hot on Janhvi. She looked too hot to handle in the video. The video shows Janhvi in a glamorous makeup look. She has accessorized her outfit with golden rings. The actress has left down her tresses, completing her sexy look. Janhvi Kapoor's denim-on-denim outfit is just one of the ways we would happily go the double denim route. Janhvi's style reaches optimum capacity as usual with every passing day, this time choosing a pair of distressed mom jeans with a strapless denim corset top. She's outfit is a chic take on the usual summer brunching outing with your girls where we bet you stand out any day. She keeps her makeup and hair simple and right on track with the rise in soaring temperatures with her subtle glam makeup, and she paired it with white heels and her wavy hair tied neatly to a ponytail. Janhvi accessorized her look with a pair of golden hoop earrings and white stilettos. She went with a glossy brown lip tint, bare eyeshadow, mascara-coated lashes, maroon nail polish, flushed cheeks, and radiant skin. The actress was wearing an all-blue corset jumpsuit in the photos. Janhvi acted as a muse for fashion designer house Antithesis, choosing a jumpsuit from the designer house's shelves. The off-the-shoulder jumpsuit featured translucent accents at the midriff. The jumpsuit had wide legs as well. Janhvi accessorized her look for the day with diamond ear studs and tinted shades. Her hair was styled open in lovely wavy curls with a middle part. She wore nude eyeshadow, black eyeliner, mascara-laden eyelashes, contoured cheekbones, and a nude lipstick tone. Janhvi Kapoor is captivating her fans with her outfit choices. She looks gorgeous for multicolor lehenga. She kept things light-hearted in a vibrant shirt and matching skirt, radiating joy in the stunning ensemble. A beaded neck choker completed the aesthetic of the sleeveless top worn with the flowing skirt. The actress completed her look with perfect makeup and wavy curls. With this stunning ensemble for the movie promotion, she undoubtedly added drama to her always on-trend appearances. The actress chose to wear a striking royal blue sari by Raw Mango. The actress definitely served lessons on how to style a classic traditional drape. Her sari featured an exquisite blend of royal blue and gold. The blue sari, accentuated with floral motifs in gold threads, certainly had all the elements of a regal look. The blue-gold sari featured a gold border. Janhvi paired the sari with a sleeveless royal blue blouse with a dory detailing on the back that made her sari look stand out. Janhvi went all out for the traditional aesthetic and picked a pair of traditional batulu or jhumkas and a small black bindi. However, the most stunning part of her ensemble has to be the neat middle-parted bun adorned with a statement-making fresh floral gajra. For her makeup, Janhvi went for a neutral-toned look with a subtle stroke of eyeliner, mascara-adorned lashes, caramel lips, and a matte finish. Janhvi Kapoor looks ethereal in an ivory gold dress in her latest photoshoot. She looks no less than a fairy tale princess in the stylish outfit. Janhvi Kapoor casts a spell with her captivating glance. She flaunts her curvaceous figure in the one-shoulder dress. Janhvi looks breathtaking in the sparkling bodice with the ivory gold dress. She shines bright in the minimal makeup. Janhvi looks mesmerizing in the nude-colored lips. She gives retro vibes in this black and white shot. Janhvi Kapoor looked her sexy best in a white sequin sari. She accessorized her outfit with a matching bralette blouse with a plunging neckline to give it more punch that added an oomph quotient to her look. To style the outfit, Vani took the minimal route and rocked a pair of statement earrings for accessories. As for her makeup, she kept it in neutral tones. The diva rounded off the look with open tresses. Janhvi Kapoor decided on a glossy mauve lip color, kohl-lined eyes, and smoky eyeshadow. She completed the outfit with beaded hanging earrings, striking jewelry, and center-parted open hair with curled ends. The ivory georgette is adorned with silver gotrapati work and gleaming purple, light blue, and silver sequins. Janhvi opted for a silk satin backless blouse with a plunging sweetheart neckline, halter straps, and white contrast lining on the trimmings. Her white sari garnered love from fans and friends in the industry. Janhvi looks captivating and enchanting in this sensational transparent black sari. She turns into a temptress in this sexy black transparent sari while she strikes a candid pose. Janhvi looks graceful as she brings panache in this jaw-dropping photoshoot. She brings the much-needed glam quotient in this stylish photoshoot as she mesmerizes with her smile. She is photogenic in this drop-dead gorgeous picture while she looks at the camera. Janhvi flaunts her sexy back in her hot transparent sari while she turns at the shutterbigs. She brings the oomph factor and sex appeal in black transparent sari and hot bralette in this candid photo. She is sensational and sensuous in this hot and sexy black transparent sari with matching bralette. Janhvi left us awestruck by slaying the bold and beautiful avatar in the red gown. She stuns in a red shimmery backless gown. The dress also has a thigh-high slit and straps. The dress hugged Janhvi's curves perfectly. The dress featured no back and a thigh-high slit. She paired the dress with knee-length high-heel boots. The actress looked sensual as she posed for the camera. Janhvi wore red lipstick and opted for a bold makeup look with minimum accessories. Janhvi Kapoor's stylist shared a few sun-kissed photos of the actor in a black slip dress. She posed for the camera as the sun gently kissed her plump cheeks. With her tresses tied into a messy bun and few framing her face, the Dhadak actress struck a mesmerizing candid pose. The actress never shies away from stepping out without any makeup. She loves letting her skin breathe and is often seen flaunting her healthy glowy skin. Janhvi Kapoor displays hourglass figure in sequined bodycon dress with plunging neckline. Janhvi Kapoor, in a recent photoshoot, shows off her curves in the most flattering way possible. She cuts a statist figure in the sequined bodycon dress. The actress oozes oomph in the dress with a plunging neckline. Janhvi's playful mood makes the shoot interesting. She has been styled by celebrity stylist Lakshmi Lair. Janhvi Kapoor's backless dress is by Alexander Vauthier. She looks drop-dead gorgeous in the messy hairdo. Janhvi Kapoor looks like a dream in the shoot. Janhvi looked breathtakingly gorgeous in a lemon green chiffon sari. The sari featured illustrated embroidered motifs. Well-defined eyes and stone-studded statement jhumkas tied her whole look together. The actress surely has a noteworthy approach towards fashion, be it for her casual candid appearances or glamorous party outings. She looked in a bright yellow sari. The dainty lace embroidery in equally stunning floral designs on her blouse was the perfect finishing touches to this look. But we have to admit that a little pop of color never hurt anybody. She added a contrasting tone to her look with her dangling turquoise earrings and a matching bangle that, when set against her yellow sari, made all the chic difference. Her hair was styled in a voluminous blowout and her makeup was kept minimal chic to bring the whole look together. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.